Today we're going to be changing the Serpentine belt on this Jeep Patriot 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. So here I wanted to show you where the tensioner is. You've got your power steering, I believe, right here, and then you've got one pulley just below it. I'll zoom in right there, and then the one below that is the tensioner. This is easiest to get to from the bottom, and the bigger pulleys are in the bottom. So I'll take you down there. I just want to show you from the top side. I've already taken the skid plate off, so you'll want to take your plastic skid plate off to get access to the tensioner and the belt also. Alright, so here you can see the Serpentine pulley tool on the bolt, and then I've already got the skid plate off like I told you. So what we're going to do is pull that. It loosens tension on the belt. We'll slide the belt off. So we'll get some slack here. Just get it off one pulley. You can let go of the tensioner. And then we'll go up to the top and get this out of the way. I'll put a link in the description to this Serpentine belt tool. Alright, so that was the easy part. Now the hard part's going to be getting the new one on. So here real quick, I just wanted to show you the difference between a good belt, which is on the left, and a bad belt. Well, I mean, it's still working, but you can see how cracked it is on those ribs, and even down in some of those grooves. So it's definitely time to change this belt. So something else that's a good idea to do is check the length and make sure they're really close to the same length, just to make sure you've got the proper belt. Alright, so we're ready to put the new belt on. I'm going to go ahead and drop this down from the top, get it over this big pulley up here for the power steering pump, and I'll be looking at the same diagram that I'm going to put on the screen. But the first thing I want to do is get this kind of started. So right now I'm going over pulley number 1. And then I'm going to try and get, from this top side, I'm going to try and get it around number 9. And then I'm going to have to come down to the bottom. I'm going to go to number 7. Which is back here. Okay. And then we're going to come go ahead and route this around 5 and then 3, the alternator. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting it around the alternator because it tried to get hung up there during removal. So what you see there sticking out is coming off the front of the alternator, and that was what I was having difficulty getting the belt over. But all you have to do is turn the belt 90 degrees and it'll go right past there. You just have to kind of turn the belt 90 degrees to get it up and over, or through that tight spot. Okay. I think we're going in the right direction. And then we will get this around the tensioner now. Alright. Okay, we're getting close. So now we need to get the serpentine belt tool back on the tensioner so we can loosen it to get the bolt, or to get the belt on this last pulley. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think we're on. So at this point we just want to verify that the belt is not on any lips like this right here. So look up through here, and from where I'm at, everything looks pretty good. Well, there you have it. We've got the serpentine belt changed on this Jeep Patriot. And if you've got a Jeep Patriot yourself and you'd like to do some custom things to it, you might consider subscribing or checking out the playlist I've got on this Jeep Patriot. I've lowered it. I am about to install some HID headlights. I tried and failed on LEDs. They were flickering. But if you're interested in doing things like that to your Jeep, go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. I've got a wide variety of other things on the channel, but if you're into the Jeep, I've got some stuff coming. And if you have any suggestions or comments, put them in the comments below, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.